Hello guys. Welcome back to another video. And today we are playing some Bee Swarm Simulator. I already played a bit of this, but I mean, hey, it never hurts to play. Well, it never hurts to play some on camera. So we're gonna be doing some quests, doing everything really. And yeah. So 500 white, red, and blue pollen. I mean 500,000. Like, what do you mean? Okay, see you guys then. Guys, I just realized that I'm bad. Oh, this guy just decided to show up out of nowhere. I wonder what he's doing here. Maybe he just wants to grind some red pollen too. Maybe he's on the same quest as us. Maybe. Okay, guys. I've been grinding, and I got all these, and yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, I'm gonna die. Okay, guys, we're doing well. Wait a minute. Lol, wait a second. Okay, guys, so right now, I'm gonna grind very hard. 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, I'm getting a bunch of stuff really quickly. If you guys don't want to see me do this, then click on one of my other videos. I played Roby before, like a few minutes, like 30 minutes ago. I uploaded it like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I just love constantly uploading. It's fun. So let's keep on. Wait, actually. What? How is it already? Wait a minute. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, I gotta go to Black. Wait, is this where Black Bear is? No. Where's Black Bear? I wanna get to Black Bear. Oh, he's right over here. Okay. Okay, now what do I get? Bro, I got a diamond egg! I remember my friend said to not open, we gotta save up till 5. How many of them do I have? Is that my first one? I think it might. Where is it? Where is it? I know it's somewhere. It has to be. Oh. Oh, but I only have one. I thought I had more. Okay, I'm just gonna try to get some of my stuff into better stuff. Like, for example, a hasty bee maybe. Berry, I have looker bee, frosty bee. I'm gonna do this. Do this bubblebee. Blue epic. Oh. I want it to be legendary. Rare. Epic. Blue epic. Blue rare. Red epic. Blue rare. Red rare. Red epic. rare, rare, blue, rare. You know what? I don't want to keep wasting mine. You know what? Anymore. Bro, this is so bad. Rare. Epic, I guess. I just wasted so many of my... Okay, guys. I'm gonna be cringing so hard. Okay, let me talk to Blackboy. What's my thing? It is. Where's Blackboy? I'm not sure, guys. I think that this is it. This is it. Hey, do this thing. Okay, guys, I'm really close. Just a few more here, right there. I'm so close, please. Please, do this. Please. Speed up. Yes, this is gonna be epic. Yes, this is what I want. Getting my tokens. Yes! Okay, I didn't see that. You guys probably saw that. Okay, now mountaintop. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, do my ants. Because I have an ant pass. Once I get claim one, I'll have 2 ant passes. So I'll play twice. And if you see this is because, yeah, my ant passes. Well, no, because I got it from it. And I'm pretty sure that, yeah, see, look, now I have 2 ant passes. And so, I mean, I might as well just play one. Here we go. So, how you do this, if you guys don't know how, you just have to, like, get the ants and kill them, and then you have to get a certain amount of pollen to level up, and then, yeah, and you have a time limit right over there. I think it's like 5 minutes or something. Like that. And so I'm just, you know, doing this. And I might as well put down a sprinkler because, like, you never know. It might be going down. And the only annoying thing is that you don't get pollen from it. So, yeah, see you guys then. Okay, guys, I'm at this giant bee. Oh, we just killed him. Lol. Okay, guys, now, if you haven't seen, these things are fire ants, and I'm pretty sure that they do a lot more damage, and I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, oh yeah, and they put fire on the ground, and if you step in it, you get hurt, and it's just very annoying in my opinion. Bro, I just died. Bruh. I'm so bad. Today I got some honey. I'll keep it. Bruh. Bruh. Now I need to wait for all my bees to, like, you know, do it. Like, chill on their hives. See you guys then. Okay, guys, they just finished resting or whatever. Oh yeah, and I can also get this part of the club. Oh, the microphone fell out. Okay, go over here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And so at the beginning it's easy and you guys already saw that. So yeah. Guys, I'm about to die. No, no, no! Guys, I can't die. Look how low I am. I'm just gonna camp over here. Give me that. I need to run fast. Dude, if there's a fire ant, then I'm dead. Please don't. No! This is so scary. Dude, I hate fire ants. Okay, I'm almost up to round 5. My score is 20. Well, I'm on round 5. I think I'm going to round 6. Yeah. I think whenever you kill an ant, you get a piece of score. What? That doesn't make any sense. A piece of score? What is that? Lol. I got these things like they're like army ants. I'm not sure what they are, but they're annoying. Because it's like they have so much more health. That's what I think happens. Oh, I almost stepped in the fire. I think I did. Or maybe that's part of my bee. Ooh, don't, please don't, flying ant. Okay, yeah. Okay, now there are these lawnmowers. And they can be annoying. If like a bee is in the way and then here comes a lawnmower. Although it's red so you know which side it is at. So then I'm going no! And it does so much damage, dude. Guys, I did this giant ant thing. And it's being annoying. Oh! Oh my gosh, guys. Dude, I'm on round 10. Score